Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. There are a total of 4 hearings related to the matter styled as Idaho versus Kohberger that will occur before the end of June. 2 are in Judge Stephen J. Hippler's courtroom. 2 others are out of state concerning the domestication of a total of 6 material trial witnesses. Turning to the matters that will occur in Judge Hippler's courtroom. On June 18, 2025, commencing at 12:30 p.m., 2 matters will be called up for in-person oral argument before Judge Hippler. The first is a public hearing. It is on the defense's May 20th, 2025 motion to continue the currently scheduled August 11th, 2025 trial date. The defense's motion is on the docket. You can read it in full and see the arguments that they are raising. According to the case summary page, the state of Idaho has just filed their response in opposition, as we had anticipated that they might. Unfortunately, that response is not yet on the public docket. Once it does hit the public docket, we will notify you. We are anticipating a reply from the defense prior to the hearing on the 18th of June. As you will recall, there are 3 filings that are typically submitted that comprise the briefings on any motion. First is the originating motion, which has been filed by the defense. Second is the response in opposition. It has been filed by the state. The third in the sequence, closing out the briefings, would be a reply from the defense replying to the response. At that point, the briefings would be considered closed. Once the reply hits the docket, we will notify you. The second matter that is scheduled for oral argument, unfortunately, is a closed and sealed hearing on June 18th, 2025. That is on the defense's motion for offers of proof on alternate perpetrators. Unfortunately, just like this upcoming closed and sealed hearing, all filings relative to these offers of proof of alternate perpetrators are under seal, including the evidence and exhibits that Mr. Kohberger filed. Therefore, the public does not know how strong or weak these arguments, exhibits, and evidence are. We will continue to monitor the situation for any orders that hit the docket from Judge Hippler relative to this issue of alternate perpetrators. Turning now to the 2 matters that are out of state. The first is scheduled to occur June 25th, 2025, across the border from Idaho in Washington, and specifically in Adams County, concerning one person who has been described as a material witness, that there would need to be a domestication and an order from a Washington court ordering that person to appear at trial in another state. The second is across the country in Pennsylvania, Monroe County specifically, where there is a hearing coming up on June 30th relative to domestication of 5 trial witnesses. Coincidentally, this hearing will occur in Monroe County in the exact courthouse where Mr. Kohberger first appeared after his arrest in Monroe County back on December 30th, 2022. We will continue to keep you updated as further developments arise. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us today.